Murata's point-of-load converters can help you save both space and design time, even as the amount of power needed by PCI Express boards increases year on year. The power required by PCIe boards is constantly increasing. Version 4 already has an estimated 400 watt consumption, so version 6, planned for 2021, is likely to be incredibly power hungry. While there is no increase in space available, temperatures are rising, which means the power conversion components must increase their power density dramatically. Over the next few slides, we will explain how Murata point-of-load's high power density saves board space, how its construction can assist with heat dissipation, and how it excels at fast load transient response with low noise, all with demonstrated high reliability. The first benefit we would like to show you is the space-saving high power density. The physical size of the converter on its own is not the only way Murata point-of-load can help you save space. Here we show a 20 amp point-of-load demo board compared with one of our competitors' solutions, referred here as Company A. Not only is the converter smaller, but Murata module also requires much lower external capacitance. Only about half the output capacitance is needed, just 660 microfarad, and less than a quarter of the input capacitance of the competitor part, maybe even less, depending on the input voltage variant. This leads to significant more space saving on your board to the extent that all components can be topside mounted when using Murata point-of-load. Overall, while other parts need top and bottom placement and occupy 534 square millimeters, Murata point-of-load comes in at just 229.9 square millimeters. Second benefit, thermal savings on PCB. Here's Murata point-of-load measured up against competitor-based power derating. As you can see, the 6 amp Murata point-of-load operates to 95 degrees ambient compared with competitors which max out at around 85 degrees, some with heavy derating. Murata point-of-load 20 amp part also operates to 95 degrees, beating the competition with less than 15% derating. Murata point-of-load is still at around 75% of full rating under the same conditions. In the test, there is no forced airflow, the product is mounted on a specified multi-layer PCB, and the maximum surface temperature is set at 110 degrees Celsius. Third benefit, less external capacitance required. Here we compare Murata low transient performance to our competitor solutions, considering the necessary output capacitors. The 20 amp Murata point-of-load has the smallest and shortest duration voltage deviation with a 10 ampere load step, even with half the output capacitance mounted on the board. Fourth benefit, low noise, easy to pass EMC regulations. Let's compare field emissions too. Here, the 20 amp Murata point-of-load magnetic field emissions performance is compared to a discrete solution. Again, the Murata point-of-load displays an almost flat, low-level emission response compared to the discrete solution. This table shows an overview of Murata's point-of-load range with a brief summary specification. The latest additions in our point-of-load range are marked in red. Complete product specifications can be found in the datasheets ready available on murata.com. Here you can see our new 10 amp divider, offering compact size and high efficiency. Unregulated output voltage can be set to either 50% or 33% of the input voltage, optimizing the second stages of your power tree. This module offers a compact size and high efficiency by Murata original charge pump technology inside, making it easy to incorporate on your board as little external components are needed. Our next new product is our 4-channel multi-output point of load. The 4 output voltages can be customized as well as the sequencing. All this in line with your application-specific requirements. This model streamlines the design process with its low noise output and space-saving design. This compact point of loads does have a wide input voltage range suiting industrial needs. 2 versions with input voltage 12 volt and 24 volt, covering range from 3 to 36 volts. Roughly 95% reduced space have been achieved compared with discrete solutions. As you can see here, the second benefit is good thermal performance due to high levels of efficiency. And third, but not less important, is low noise. We at Murata truly believe you won't register any noise problems any longer if you use our point of loads. The last 2 products we would like to show you are our new 60 amp and 90 amp point of loads meeting FPGA high core voltage power requirements. Both the point of loads are far more compact than competition and feature PM bus function. Please ask for engineering samples to support your next proto build. For each output current, there are 2 versions. One is the quite fast transient, while the other has a wider in and output voltage range. For more information about our PCIe products or to order samples, please visit our website or send an email to info@murata.com.